before we leave, we got business Fat Tuesday. One more time so I can reach you.
What up, YouTube?
What's up, guys?
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Hey.
Yeah, so it's like day 2. Dion and Tony, Miami getaway.
Yes.
Tap in. And it starts right now.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like fast life, you like to drive, get down dirty, act like a bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel caught in midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep.
3, 2,
I'm mad the
1.
way you said it.
Is it day
It's
2?
day 3.
I said it's like day 2. Today's Sunday? 3, 2, 1. What up, YouTube? 3, 2, 1. What up, D T Bangaz? Welcome back to another episode of Dion Tony. It's your boy, Dion.
Tony is here.
Welcome to our world where it's not a show, but it's a life.
That's right,
It's
babe.
not a show, but it's a life.
That's right, babe.
It's not a show because it's June 23rd out here in these streets of Miami. And we about to go head out in the streets of Miami. But it's not a show, it's our life.
That's right,
Shout
man.
out to our D T
What
Bangaz.
up?
We thank you guys for watching
Yo,
with us each and every
come
week.
on
However,
through.
if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Tell a friend, bring a friend. New videos each and every Monday, Wednesday at 10 a.m. That's just a glitch in the matrix. We're on vacation, it's a holiday. You can't pull through.
Listen, y'all heard what he said. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, comment in the comment section. Let us know what you want to see. Let us know if you like the video, damn it. We would love you so much for that, right? Listen, make sure you share. Tell everybody about Dion and Tony. We would love you so much for that. That's another important thing. Listen, because it's going to help us on our little channel. It could. So listen, we are out.
If you keep saying, so listen, go ahead.
3, 2, 1. So we are out and about. We're not out and about.
We about to leave out to go out and about
Okay.
in these streets. But that's fine. So now we about to head out to go do our thing and just follow along with us.
Why I couldn't switch that up and do what I needed to
Because
do?
I did it when I did it. Let's go.
All right, Bangaz. So we are at Target. About to stop at Starbucks, get some coffee, get revved up, and get the day started. Okay? Let's go! Think so?
Ma, how much was it? How much was it?
$3.50 for medium.
What you get?
Caramel Rubber Crunch with an extra sweetness.
Extra what?
Sweetness.
Tony, what you and Nikki get?
$10.
$8.
Right, I can't even tell you.
It's got 2 pumps of something.
It's
Some
I
cinnamon,
can tell you.
some white mocha espresso.
There you go.
Courtesy of IKEA. He told us what to get. He said it, and I'm going that sounds good.
All right, Bangaz, reporting live from Bayside in Miami, Florida. We are about to go on a tour attraction, is what I want to say it's called proper, right?
Of course.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Uh-huh.
we're not sure if we're going to go on the Thriller, which is a boat where...
A speedboat.
Speedboat, good job. Or a regular boat that's going to take us on a tour, show us like the celebrity houses and the different buildings and...
Thriller is about $20 more, so
Yeah.
we're just going to wait to see.
So we're very excited. We're about to use all the bathroom. Well, we're about to use the bathroom and go and see the prices. We'll be back. Yo, 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 yo. Bacon bitch it is. Maybe later. So here we are. It's a little shopping center as well, guys. They have Expressmen down there, which is 80 to 90% off. We ain't got no money like that, so we're gonna skip that today.
We got a Chili's.
Oh, they have a Chili's. Come on, beautiful day. Keep it up. It's a beautiful day.
We're about to head to the boat to Y'all look like y'all like each other. Look at the picture.
Visiting Miami for the first time. Some of you guys, some of you know. All right, shout out some cities. Where you guys all from? DC in the house. Welcome. North Carolina. Welcome. Where is that? Texas? Texas. Welcome. Where else? Where else? New York? Sorry to hear that. Where else? Just having a good day so far, man. There's a lot of joking baby today. Your Captain Chris, with a round of applause for Chris, please. Right? You guys had a good time. Other than that, just make yourselves comfortable and get ready to have fun.
We outside.
Star Island, these are the islands of the rich and famous. We'll find out who lives where in just a few minutes here. This is Star Island here, where the majority of the famous people live, and this property in particular is the main attraction. It's the largest on the whole island, spanning a little over 6 acres. The guy who lives here, he was in the pharmaceutical industry. He's accredited with creating that small little magic blue pill with a V on it. If you guys are familiar with what I'm talking about, let me get a thumbs up real quick so I know we're on the same page. That was a trick. You weren't supposed to do that. How do you guys know? I'm curious. Actually, no, no. Keep that to yourself. It is Viagra. His name is Dr. Philip Frost. This is the Viagra house here. Somebody doesn't like me talking about that crap. Unplugged me. That's crazy. That beige mansion that we just passed, that one used to belong to famous blue-eyed singer Frank Sinatra. It was also a famous house used in a lot of TV shows or movies. Now you have this one coming up here with this white modern mansion. That one belongs to a woman very well known in the music and fashion industry, all the way from Barbados, Miss Rihanna. And then this one next door belongs to the Lord of the Rings herself, J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez. We like to call her the Lord of the Rings for all 6 of those engagement rings that she's got. Hey, this one tucked away behind the bushes here, missing all of the doors and windows. That one used to belong to an actor you guys probably know from Bad Boys, Will Smith. This one coming up here with this massive yacht out back, that one belongs to former famous British soccer star known for the kick, David Beckham, David and Victoria Beckham. If you guys want to buy the empty lot next door and build your dream house, the grass alone is going to cost $37 million. I can now stand losing you. This one under construction, that used to belong to Madonna. However, it was purchased by a famous South Florida rapper, Rick Ross. That's his new house. And then lastly, these 2 mansions. This is all one property here, owned by local legends Gloria and Emilio Estefan. Happily married for many, many years. What's the secret, you guys? She lives on the left and he lives on the right. Raise your hand. Everybody enjoy themselves. You guys have a good time. Now, as we're making our way.
All right, guys. So we're about to leave Bayside to head back to the house to change, and then we'll be back, right? All right. I lied. We're still here. We're at the Crocs store. My mom and sister decided they wanted Crocs. So that's where we at.
Solo un rayo del sol cambia el tiempo.
So we've decided to head out. Came back, changed our clothes, ate something, and we decided to head out to go to the beach. They'll be coming around that corner. There they go. So where we're staying at, the beach is only a 5-minute walk. So the rep said it'd be easier if we could walk as opposed to driving. So we're just gonna take a walk and see how long it is. Andy's Beach, City of Miami Beach. Beach time, beach y'all know me in water. Gotta be clear. This is close. We gonna get to the Bahamas. She don't know how to walk in the yard. She's kicking. Rita. I don't know if he's doing yoga. Sort of kind of tropical beach.
Beach beyond Virginia.
Right. sun is sunning here on the shores of Miami Beach.
Burger King, get it, girl, get it. Ay, low, back, and low, back and low, ay. All right now. All right, bangers, heading to Burger King to get something to eat before we go pre-game, and then we're going out for Dion's birthday. Peaches gonna pre-game with us. Really? Bangers, we about to celebrate something special, something big, something huge. Big, way big, okay? This one in the back. Let me show you the other one. Hey! We are in here. We are in here.
Outside.
We outside. We outside. Hey. Everybody drink or shot ready.
Was a real man murdered innocent woman?
Yeah.
Sure you want to be talking about killing innocent men?
You're not great.
That ain't do with my wife.
All right, guys, countdown for their birthday. Mama Peaches and Dion.
And the star.
Right about now.
It's cancer season.
Yes. Happy birthday, guys! Happy birthday! Hey! Cheers! Cheers! Happy birthday! A drink for my baby and my mom.
It's the video chat, Tony. Hello?
Felony fraud, battery.
Thank you.
Bangers, it's club time. So recap, y'all know what we did today. We went to Starbucks. We didn't probably, did we? We did vlog that. We went to Bayside. Did a nice little thriller ride. And then went to the beach. And then home, and then we brought Dion and Mama Peach's birthday in, and we ready to go eat and party. And that's right, FuFu.
Yeah.
FuFu, that's right. I'm fried, she fried. We all feeling a little bit different. That's fine. That's fine, honey. Birthday boy Shenanigans. Birthday boy Shenanigans. Come on, girl. The elevator leaving us. Hollering. Alright, we're gonna make sure. We're gonna make sure that the air is on and the inside in. I smell some. You just smell herb. Am I tripping? That smell like mildew. I smell herb. Alright, bangers. Day 4. Out and about for Dion and Mama Peaches' birthday. Yes, yes.
So tap in, and it starts right now.
Hey.
That's right, Daddy. Let's go. You in a shop or something?
Price choice.
We tripping? You see it?
It's right there.
Where?
So
It's the
these
trap.
Eatery. No, I'm talking about right here.
Right here. You said it's a trap. It's so silly.
No, most of them, that's a truck.
Come on, y'all gotta move.
Why you park right here? Because they was right there.
All right, banger. So we done came all this way to Sunday's Eatery. We're excited to go ahead and taste it. Let me just show you what it looked like. Here's the truck. Here's his truck. And let me show you the restaurant. Here we go right here. Sunday's Eatery. Yes, Trick Daddy.
I just want
TV.
Then what's that? Yellow rice?
All right. Not bad.
Yes. As I say, somebody takes to tell me that. I can't.
That crunch too with it. Right now. That is delicious.
Yes. Look, you gotta go with this. It's 6:13, and they feeling a little bit different.
We're just coming off of a live, so it's been a lot happening. Check that live out, guys. It's Dion's birthday, or whatever you title it. What you title it?
Oh gosh. She said,
So yeah, check that live out. But right now we're chilling, drinking. Probably about to get one more drink, maybe. We don't know. We want more. Stop at the store and then go in the house.
after the live. This is the aftermath. We're feeling a little different from earlier. After the live. Go ahead. You're saving all your life for me.
This is it, guys. This is it. I think everybody's ready to go home, right? It's that time. Time to go home. Time to go home.
We just dropped my mom and sister off at Terminal 1, and now we're walking to Terminal 3. We out here. Going home. I had an early night last night. I think I went to bed like 10 o'clock. It's done. The day drinking is not okay. Over 40. Period.